Hi everyone. Today, we're diving deeper into the power of the date table. So, we've created this date table, but how do we make the most of it within our model? I want to visualize the results that this table holds. If we want to harness its potential in a visual, we'll head back to the report view. Let's opt for a quick column chart to display failed banks by month. I'm choosing a stacked column chart for this illustration. Now that we've added the stacked column chart to our canvas, we'll start by bringing in the necessary fields. Just like our previous visualizations, it's all about dragging and dropping fields into the design canvas or fields pane. In this case, I'll grab the month column for the x-axis and the bank name column for the y-axis. However, when we view the visual, it's not what we expected. It seems like we're seeing the same number of banks for every month, that is 567 failed banks each month. That's obviously not accurate. This reveals a problem in our data model, which is no connection between the tables we're using. We're utilizing the calendar table and the failed banks table, but there's no relationship between them. To fix this, we'll need to head over to the model view. Here, we can create relationships if they don't already exist. Creating this relationship is crucial to solve the problem of the uniform count of failed banks for each month. It's essential to identify the commonality between the tables, in this case, the date columns. By simply dragging the date column onto the closing date column, Power BI smartly establishes the relationship. This connection allows the tables to communicate effectively. The line between them indicates this link, and hovering over it highlights the columns forming the relationship. Now, one-to-many relationships are pivotal. They signify unique values on one side, like the date column, and non-unique values on the other, such as the closing date. Generally, aiming for one-to-many relationships in your model is ideal for robust data management. Once the relationship is created, returning to the report view showcases a fix in the column chart. Now, we're not seeing the same bank count for each month anymore. The visuals are more in line with what we expected. However, there's another issue to tackle: the sorting order of the columns in the chart. That's the next problem we'll address. We'll fix the sort order by addressing both the data model and the visual display. First, to fix the visual sort order, hover over the chart, click the three-dot menu, and select Sort Axis. Ensure sorting by month and in ascending order. However, even after sorting by month, it might display alphabetically instead of chronologically. We'll address this by utilizing the month number column we previously created. Select the month column from the calendar table, access column tools, and use the Sort by Column property to sort by the month number while displaying the month name. This setup ensures the months display in the correct chronological order, presenting January, February, March, etc. in the expected sequence. In the upcoming video, we'll explore the world of calculated measures and distinguish them from calculated columns. Stay tuned as we dive into this essential aspect of data analysis and visualization.